Art friends, me teacher Zheng. Welcome to this week's art class. So what we have here is a picture of a rotary phone that we will use as a reference subject for our project. So what you need to do is construct the image first. So we are going to construct the main image, and we're gonna cut it into two parts. So I'm gonna create a rectangle shape for the top part of the image and a bigger rectangle shape for the bottom, or the main body of the rotary phone. Now we're gonna create two rectangles, or two square rather, on this one in an angle which is a 45 degree, and the other one will be almost at the same place but reverse yung method. And then for the handle, I will try to draw it as simple as possible at first by creating a V shape. So that is the main construction. Now for the wire, you just have to create something like this, and then this one. So now we have the basic image of, or the basic construction of the rotary phone. Now what you need to remember here is to slowly build up the image and then try to adjust the needed areas to create a balance drawing for your project. For this one, you could slightly curve it around here and then slowly place it like this side, or you could, if you want to slope it pa a little bit, something like this. Then the other one, and then there's a slope. Now the reason why we have this basic construction is just to easily magnify or enlarge the drawing or the subject, and then we eventually adjust either inside or going outside the lines to create balance in our project. So this one will have the shadow area, so mostly the shadow is a reverse method of the actual image. Something here, and then if you draw lines on the left, make sure that the lines on the right is almost symmetrical to the other side. Then what you need to remember here is you make sure that the handle is sitting above the area ng top part ng phone, because may parang button here eh. You want this button to be pushed down so people could be able to receive calls on the rotary phone. And then still do those basic constructions, don't do the details yet. And then work on the other side, make sure that everything is level to each other. This one will have shade. Then for the main rotary object, make sure it sits here. Since it's on perspective, it is slightly angled and oblong in shape rather than a perfect circle. So after creating the rotary area for the dials of the phone, try to place this one and then slowly construct your circle. It's supposed to be from 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on and so forth. So after the construction, then you could now slowly work on shading and constructing the whole image. The detailed lesson for this one will be on paper and will be sent on your personal social media and email. If you want to add things on your main subject, I suggest you could add around this area and maybe change something here on the middle part of the rotary phone. You could also change the handle into a bread shape or a donut shape if you want, as long as the main image still looks like a rotary phone. So this is Teacher Jeng. May everyone have a wonderful week. Stay home, stay safe. I will be seeing you guys on your respective art class date. May everyone be safe up until then. Love and peace.